In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I place some trades using the Questrade platform. I've already done some videos on how to place a trade on the Questrade platform, but I thought I'd do another one for you guys. But this time I'll just use my practice trade account. And I thought I would place as many trades as I can just so I could show you guys how I place my trades and for you guys to get familiar with how to place an option trade position on this platform. So first off, you're going to want to go to option, look up the symbol you want to do a call option on to let's say Apple. Okay, so yeah, we'll try Apple. So in this case, I would like to buy a call option on Apple that expires 3 months from now. So the date today is June 1st, so I'm gonna go with October 16. Okay, and then I'm gonna choose a strike price, a delta. Just remember, guys, when I buy a call or put option, I don't really look at the strike price. What I look at is the delta. So in this case, we'll be buying a delta of 0.8, something close to 0.8. So let's try, I would go with this one. So this one costs 35.25, meaning 3,525. Since this is just a practice trade, we're going to put a limit on a market order type so that it goes through right away. So I'm going to go double check that everything is correct. When you're actually doing this with your actual account, you want to make sure that everything is right. So make sure you're double checking the date, the order type, and all that. So I'm gonna go ahead and click buy, send order, and you'll see that will just, yeah, it just went through. So yeah, to double check that it really went through, you go to your account, go to executions or positions. It should yeah, as you can see, it's right here, October 16, 300 call, and you can see the time and date that it got executed at. Alright, so let's go ahead and buy another call. Why don't we try Microsoft? So I'm gonna go ahead and try Microsoft here. So same thing, I choose an expiration of 3 months out from now. So let's choose September, and we're gonna go and, yeah, I always click all because usually they don't show all of the different deltas that are available for you to choose from. So you want to make sure you're clicking all. Then I'm going to scroll down until I see 0.8. So right here, you guys can see right here, I would go with this one. This has a delta of 0.79. I would click that, and this tab right here pops up. Same thing, I'm going to put market, since this is just a practice trade, and then click buy, send order. And voila, there you go. It showed you the confirmation, like a message saying that your order just got filled in. Now we are going to choose another one. Let's see. Why don't we choose? You know what? I'm gonna go and choose Boeing. Okay. So same thing. I always go 3 months out for expiration. I would choose September. I would go choose all, and then I would scroll down until I find where that delta is that's close to 0.8. In this case, it's this one right here, 2840. You can see this with a strike price of 130.76. I would go with that one, and then I would go ahead and click buy and place our order. filled right there. Okay, so once again, you go to account, go to positions, and you'll see right here, open quantity, you got 1. This is how many contracts we bought. Average price, this is how much it costs us to enter the trade. This is the price, market value right now. Open P&L is how much you're losing or how much you're gaining at the moment. And then this is telling you what time and date you purchase this option contract at. So you're gonna go ahead and buy more call option contract. It's really good to buy call options right now because a lot of the stocks are bouncing off of their support, or I should say, like, they just dip like in the last couple of weeks, and now they're kind of bouncing off from that dip. So we're gonna go ahead and buy more call options in this case. And let's see, we're gonna try and buy Procter and Gamble. I haven't really looked up this stock lately, but this is a really good stock to buy. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just curious what the chart of this stock looks like right now, because I want to buy close to where it kind of dips down, and it's just bouncing off of that dip, and it looks like it is. But yeah, it looks like it's bouncing off of that dip. Let's see what the 6 months look like. But I know I wouldn't. If this is an actual trade, I would actually stay away from this, because I haven't seen enough movement to the upside to really convince me that this will, go up in the next few weeks. So you can see the trend, the 3 months, it's down, right? It kind of broke the downward trend, but I need to see more trend on the upside. And from the course that I took, I learned that you need at least 4 weeks of confirmation. That means I need to see a trend that goes like this, and and if the stock has been going up like this, following a nice uptrend, then that's when I would go ahead and enter that trade. But in this case, since I don't see a confirmation yet that tells me it's safe to do a call option on this particular stock, then I would stay away from it. So yeah, I would wait if I were to trade this stock, because right now there's no confirmation indicating that it's safe to do a call option on it. So we're gonna go right. So we're gonna go ahead and buy some more call option contract. And yeah, I wouldn't do a call option on Procter and Gamble, because it's just that, like I said earlier, there isn't any upside trend that is forming. So we're gonna have to look up a different stock. I'm actually interested in Fiverr. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and, because I'm seeing a really good upside potential on this stock, Fiverr. I'll show you guys if I go here, look up Fiverr. See, you guys see how it has that nice uptrend, consistent. Yeah, you guys see, if I were to draw 2 lines there, you can see that it is in an uptrend right now, right? So I would go ahead and place a call option for this one. Buy call option on Fiverr, and show you guys how I do that again. So I'm gonna go choose an expiration of October, because that's the July. Yeah, this is only a month out, so I would go with October. And then again, choose all. Scroll down until you see delta of 0.8. Right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click that one, 1770, and click buy, send, and there you go, just got filled. So now, yeah, so as you guys can see, I've placed a couple of call option contract there. For today, we place 1, 2, 3, 4 call option contracts, and we're gonna have to monitor how these position turn out or play out in the next few days, and I'll show you guys when I close them and give you guys some updates on how they're doing, if they're increasing in value or decreasing and all that. So thank you guys all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.